going up to the bowling at Gold Coast, but before we do, we should read the Escalator rules. No canes, no wheelchairs, no walkers, no strollers, no oversized bags, no horseplay. Parents, please watch children. Loose clothing may be caught. That's good to know. I never read the rules before. But I was definitely planning on some horseplay. I was going to try to trip someone up so that their toe would get caught at the exit of the escalator. That's always fun. Especially if you know some of the EMTs in town and they can tell you that they responded to the call. And then you can say, yeah, I did that. Okay, here we go. Bowling Center, Gold Coast, Friday night. Well, I can tell you right away that the bowling in Vegas, well, actually bowling in a lot of places does a lot better, not better than, well, let me retract that. They do really well on their leagues, and a lot of them are for older people and they play in the morning. They do play leagues at night too, but typically not on Friday and Saturday night. That's usually left for the open, for people that are not in leagues. Some arcade situation there. Again, I'm real impressed with the cleanliness of this place. Look at this. Not a spot on the floor. It's real clean over here. They got to pick their shoes up, though. I mean, that's messing up the whole place. Everything was good until I saw those shoes. More shoes. Look to see if I can see the prices. I think it's $8 for a game. Friday night, they don't really need to post their prices, I guess. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's not bad. $6. The resident is $4.25. That's not bad at all. You can get in and out of here with shoe rental and everything, 3 games for around $20. And have enough left over for a pizza. 8 wings, $10.25. That's pretty good. Burger, $7.75. That's pretty good. Yeah, and you know it's good food. I promise you. I've never had bad food at a bowling alley. And there's a lot of cheating going on in here. If you live near a bowling alley and you ain't cheating, you ain't trying. Because bowling alley lounge, that's the way to go. Wow. Just a minute ago, that game was a blowout. Now it's 2 points. Incredible. Ooh, somebody trying to tear up the lane. So this is 70 lanes. And this is what it looks like on Friday night. got a lot of people drinking beer. That's good. That's what you do at a bowling alley. That's what you're supposed to do. You see a lot of Miller Lite. Nobody's drinking Bud Light. That's good. Yep, Miller Lite, Miller Lite, Miller Lite, Miller Lite. All right, everybody's doing the right thing. Miller High Life. Uh-oh, there's Bud Light. Somebody's drinking a Bud Light. Uh-oh. Oh, it's him. Ooh. Oh, that was shameful. Might have been his daughter that was drinking that, and he wanted to get it off the table. I'm just gonna, side with him on that. All right, that's it for the bowling alley.